Hello, and welcome to the IBM Business Automation Workflow demo. Digital companies are using software automation to improve their revenue per employee, as well as customer experience metrics. Through productivity and scale, they provide their employees with the right information at the right time. Workflow automation includes three key capabilities. 1. Case management, or the data and work associated with a business entity such as a person, investigation, or product. 2. Processes, to orchestrate human and system tasks in a predefined and structured flow. And 3. Content services, to store, manage, govern, and secure structured and unstructured content, such as documents. There are many ways to start a workflow, one of the key areas of software automation. A knowledge worker could start that workflow manually. Data capture could be used to extract information using AI techniques, and even web forms can be used internally and externally to submit and launch workflows. Once started, IBM provides a single end-to-end workflow platform including all capabilities required, from case and process to content and rule-based decisions. The first work automatically launched and required for this case is a document review. The case knowledge worker starts by reviewing their in-basket. Then they open the latest work item at the bottom. All relevant case data is shown for this work item, structured on the left and documents in the middle. Content management is integral to case workflows, and here we see the embedded content document editor that provides highlighting, collaboration, and even redaction directly in the workflow. Now let's investigate additional actions the case manager may choose to take. Looking at the list of tasks, we can see that some are required, some are even completed, and scrolling down to the bottom, others are optional or waiting. Let's start the identity validation task within this case. Once started, this kicks off a sub-process that is built into the Business Automation Workflow solution for new account opening. It's now time to switch roles to the Identity Validation Specialist, who works not from a list of cases, but rather work items pushed to them as seen here on the Integrated Work dashboard. We notice that the last task is for the particular case we just reviewed. Let's open up the process diagram to get a context on what has happened before and what this worker will need to accomplish. We see a system task was able to validate, however the confidence was low such that a human is required to do an additional review. Let's close this diagram and actually do the work for this particular subprocess. The worker launches this particular task to claim it to their inbox, and a form is presented for the information that they need, including the confidence interval, which was only about 50%. Once they do the necessary work, they're able to submit their response, and this information is routed back to the overall case. Let's move back to our case list and again take on the role of a case manager or caseworker. Referring back to the original case, we'll open it up to see if anything has been changed or updated. The structured information is on the left, and the tasks are in the middle. Reviewing the tasks, we can see that indeed identity validation has been completed. This may launch additional tasks in the case or may update data. We see on the left, under Account, that the validation has been returned from our subprocess and stored permanently in the case record. Last, our knowledge workers decide that this case is ready to be reviewed and closed. The overall case historical record is persisted and is an important item to review whenever the case manager has questions. At this time, the case manager is empowered to start any additional tasks they deem required, or just close the case at this time. The benefits of IBM Business Automation Workflow are clear through increased automation on a single workflow platform, driving straight-through processing with easy-to-use integrations all in context, and scaling end-to-end improvement through tools like analytics that will allow your organization to achieve higher revenue per employee. Thank you for watching the demo.